sigurong magsasaka is for for
Kapag-
campaign fund. Which is actually really,
So, we have to accept na may mga natulungan.
yeah, there are, yes.
Pero, bakit hindi tuloy-tuloy? Pero ang sa akin din, if uutangin din lang naman natin yung pinamimigay natin.
Right? Tama, di ba? Di ba?
Ang sa akin, nagkakaproblema tayo so if you can see my post, tuloy-tuloy yan na on rice, importation and planting. Bakit hindi yun ang tulungan natin?
Yeah.
So, may nagsasabi na, meron namang mga ayuda sa mga magsasaka. Meron nga, may seeds, may fertilizer.
Yun ang dapat dagdagan pa. Meron.
Hindi, yun na yun. Huwag mo nang bigyan ng seeds. Huwag mo nang bigyan ng fertilizer ang magsasaka.
Oh.
Because ang magsasaka, magtatanim at magtatanim yan kahit walang ayuda. Just give us a price where we can live with it.
Right.
Price
Right.
lang. Walang billion
Stabilize the
of,
price.
walang billion of budgets involved. Give us a price na makasurvive ang magsasaka.
Yeah. And this goes for rice farmers and for the vegetables.
All. Because lahat naman yung tinutupad ninyo, na-AX ninyo, karamihan dyan farmers. Should be farmers and workers. Now, if you give us a good price, instantly,
Yeah.
you will help also those na beneficiaries ng
That is how you teach a man how to fish, not just give the man a fish.
Yes.
Right?
Aside from giving us a good price, it is high time kasi that the government should be buying our rice